Hi friends, let me show you this new kitchen faucet, a polished chrome kitchen faucet that I received for reviewing purposes. Really nice if you need a new faucet in your kitchen. You get all the installation instructions, and as you can see, it comes really nicely packed, protected with this special foam. This is the weight that will help you to get the faucet back in its place. Okay. As you can see, basically it's a one whole unit. It basically already assembled. This is the moving part, the one that you take off to clean your dishes, and it goes back to its place with this weight that you install here. Okay, you have everything ready to connect it. The hot and cold water hoses. Okay, the return hose also here, and this is the accessory that you use, this screw part, to fix it to the countertop. Okay, so it's a one faucet unit, hot or cold, and as you can see, it's really nice, polished finish. Let's install it and see how it looks. Hi friends, so we already installed our faucet here in our kitchen, in our office. As you can see, it looks really nice. It's a right size for our kitchen. You can open it like this and you will have cold or hot water or whatever in the middle that you need. You can rinse everything like this, or get this out and change it to help you clean your dishes in 3 different options. Okay, like this or like that, to clean your sink or do any kind of work with your faucet. Okay, so it's a nice faucet, moves around easily. You take out this and it goes back easily because we installed that weight that you saw in the previous video. Okay, so if you need a new faucet for your kitchen, in your home, in your office, this is a nice and great option to do it.